That's why I like to study the history of how the courts came to be, these definitions of the word person, right? Because you're a person, I'm a person. We think that means like a living being, a living individual, but it doesn't, right? It means corporation, auxiliary, a government, all these different things. So, I always like to ask people, do you know what type of person you are and what is your fiduciary relationship to it? If you can't answer that question, you shouldn't status correct. You shouldn't even think about it yet. So status correction is correcting your status back to being an American under common law. But remember, none of the courts operate in common law. They all operate off of case precedents now. So we're going to use case precedents and we're going to use their own words and their own stuff against them, right? So first off, the sole proprietor is not your name. It's an entity that was set up after that SS5 was made. If you look up actually the creation of your social security number, you'll see it's after your birth certificate. It's not even the same date. That clearly proves it's not you. A lot of people don't know the difference between their sole proprietor and you, the living man, right? So some people call it the straw man. I don't like to use that word, the straw man. I like to call it by its actual legal definition that they use. So you go into the courts and you start saying straw man and these things that they don't recognize, they're gonna make it really hard for you. But